Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Purchase the Themes GamePass and join an Ability Wars match to enable it. Open the in-game menu while on the lobby or in a match. Select the Themes tab and follow 3 steps to activate the theme for your abilities. Confirm the purchase or activation when prompted to finalize the change. Themes apply immediately and persist across matches until you manually disable them in settings. You can switch themes between matches using the same menu and activation process. Open your profile in the Themes menu to customize and equip themes. You may equip up to 3 themes per profile using the interface. Preview each theme to check visuals, sound effects, and ability flair before equipping. Tap the Equip button to assign a theme to a specific ability slot. Changes save instantly to your profile and affect only your character visuals and sounds. Some themes change particle colors and provide alternate ability icons for clearer recognition. Understand that themes alter appearance only and not ability mechanics or damage numbers. Do not expect visual changes to change hitboxes, cooldowns, or game balance. Respect server rules and avoid using theme visuals to intentionally confuse teammates or opponents. If you stream or record gameplay, disable themes before recording for consistent default visuals. Test themes in a private match to ensure they work with your HUD and shaders. Keep themes updated through the game launcher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.